Gentlemen, baby, you guys are feeling great on this wild Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, man, good morning, guys. Hopefully you guys are all feeling great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a little bit to dive into here, guys. It's 9:22 a.m. We've got about 8 minutes till market open, guys. And today's a good day, so let's get into it, dive into it, and see what we got. Absolute blast, man. Guys. So We're going to crank this music down for you guys over there, man. Hopefully you guys are all having a great day, like I said. But yeah, buddy, man. So, traders, man. We have to talk about a few things. So today's a big day. Let's talk about the last 2 days first off, and then we're going to dive into the rest. The last 2 days have been rather dolish, right? They've been kind of killish, you know. Nothing really crazy has been popping in the market. They've been a little rough. So you guys can see here, I'll make this chart large. You guys can see a lot of wicks, right? A lot of wicks coming into the market. Little wicky, choppy action almost, and that's been going on. This is only a 1 minute chart. I'll go to 5 minutes so I can bring it up for you guys. For around the last 2 days, right? Why is that? That doesn't make any sense, guys. It's December. You know, all these stores should be popping. S&P should be on a heater. I mean, it is at 606, all-time high, I'm pretty sure, again. Let's check that out real quick. Yup, at an all-time high again, guys. So 606, you guys are witnessing history. There you go. But today's the day that we have JP speaking at 1:40 p.m. Now, do I think that this is going to be a crazy speech and it's going to make the market move, you know, an absolute utter astronomical amount? I don't really even know what the speech is about. I'm actually going to do my research right now on it. But no, I really don't think so. It's not an FOMC meeting, right? We don't have CPI data until next week. We don't have any PPI data coming out. So I think a lot of traders might just be laying off a little bit, waiting to see, what he does talk about. So let's see. You can just look up, if you guys want to look it up as well. JP speech today, Jerome Powell speech. There you go. So you guys will see, bada bing, bada boom. Fed Powell speaking today and last chance to signal next move on rates. Okay, here we go, guys. So this was released today at 1:30 a.m. Eastern time. So let's dive into this and learn why JP is even speaking today. So we have Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, I can never pronounce his name, is about to deliver his final publicly scheduled comments on the state of the economy before the central bank's last rate-setting meeting this year. Powell will be interviewed by Andrew Ross Sorkin at the New York Times Deal Book Summit on Wednesday. Beginning at 1:40 p.m. Eastern, the FOMC has lowered the federal fund rate by 0.75 percent points since September, leaving it at a target range of 4.5 to 4.75%. Okay, so this is actually a big deal. All right, that makes a lot more sense now. So basically, JP is going to be delivering his final publicly scheduled comments on the state of the economy before the central bank's last rate-setting meeting of this year. So the last rate cut or rate pause will be delivered this year, and here's his final remarks before that happens. So you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what are they thinking? You know, are they thinking about cutting rates? Are they thinking about holding it steady, giving it a month or so, and letting things cool down going into 2025? So that's actually a pretty big deal. That makes a lot more sense now. Okay. So guys, wait till 1:40 p.m. I personally, I don't mind trading at that time, but I don't like trading that kind of news. I like trading the news after it. So you get FOMC meeting coming out, and after the FOMC meeting is when you have the best news, right? Because the market might spike up, but then it'll slowly, progressively start to dump back down, right? Or CPI data comes out. CPI data might make the market dump all the way down, or we'll go spike all the way up, and then it'll progressively start to come back down, right? And I'd love to trade after that initial candle, that move, because then it's almost directional at that rate for a pullback of sorts to come back down, right, to wherever it was. So we'll see at 1:40 p.m. if it's like that at all. No promises, obviously, but I definitely think that's pretty big news that we should all take into account. And yeah, buddy, man. So waiting and watching. YB, so what's your strategy today with that information? I'm going to wait probably a little bit just to take my first trade, just because this week's been a little bit slower. I don't want to get caught up in it. Another way you can always tell if it's been a little bit slower, you can always just go by volume, guys. Take a look at the volume here, ladies and gentlemen. You got 28,000, 26,000, maybe 50,000 towards the end of the day, right? That is super low. That is super low in comparison to if we go back to a 5-minute chart. Go back to a 5-minute chart, go to the day before. Same thing. Boom. Usually you want to see near that 100,000 more or less most of that day, right? And you can just continue to go back and find days where it's a little bit better. But again, most of these days have been really choppy recently, so I really can't say too much. Our best day with our best directional move all week, all of the last 8 days or whatnot, right, has been, this one right here with rocking around 25,000 per candle. So it's been really slow recently, guys. So don't beat yourselves up if you haven't been profitable or successful trading right now. It's okay. There's certain times when you should pull the trigger, and there's certain days where you don't pull the trigger. Okay, and yeah, it's been probably a week and a half since we've had any good momentum. So that's where I'm at with it. That's where I'm at with it, ladies and gents. Oh.
The nurse administrator.
So guys, man, like I said, hopefully you guys are all having an amazing day. Hopefully you guys are all printing, profiting, killing it, guys. But yeah, buddy, man. Yeah, buddy. So traders, man, we are chilling out, waiting and watching right now in this market. We do want to see this market, you know, I kind of do like where it's at for a market open. You know, I would like to take a market open trade here. I may take a market open trade here. Maybe it depends on where it closes. Like it would have had to close near that 72 point there. Yeah, I would like to take some longs potentially going into market open. That'd be beautiful. But again, I don't want to get, you know, catch the ass end of this move. Maybe I'll do like 2 micros. I'll wait a little bit here. But how's your guys' day going, man? Hopefully you guys are all having an amazing day, man. Hopefully you guys are all killing it. Hopefully you guys are all printing, profiting, getting it going, man. All right, we'll see here. I'm just going to put a stop loss right there. So only 28 bucks. Only 28 bucks. Why, guys? I wanted to see if that initial push was just going to come like this right here. So very interested in this push right here. But it's below those EMAs, so I'm not going to touch that. So I was taking it if that initial push came, like second market opens, boom. Nope. Okay, word. I'll take 20 buck loss. You know what I mean? And then we wait for our setup. We wait for our play to come in, guys. It's that simple, that easy. So yeah, buddy traders. So chilling out, waiting and watching currently in this market, man. So chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. So like I said, man, hopefully you guys are all having a good day. Hopefully you guys are all printing, profiting, man. If you guys are trading anything right now.